almost through this.
Oh, Minnie, yeah.
Okay, push that out. Good. Shimmy, shimmy. Good. Now what? Good. Shimmy, shimmy. Keep shimmy. Good. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's all right. That's just that little X is closer. Like, all right. Yes. Okay, now what? Good. Up. Now through. Take your finger. There you go. Good. Good. Shimmy, shimmy. How do we do that?
Gunship?
I don't remember how to fix that.
Why is our ship named Gunship?
There we go. Look. Okay, this is, I think this is called the candles. Okay. Pinky through. Pinky through. Do you see how I've done that?
Yeah.
Down. Stick your thumb. Ah! Okay. Now you're going to pinch on the outside like you do on those. Nope. Other way. Sideways. Nope. No, you had that right. Nope, 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 nope. Right here. There you go. Now. There. Now come up over the string. Up over the string. Up over the string. Up, 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 up. Take your fingers up. Up, up, out. Take them out. Now go up, over. Now go down. Down. Push down. Good. Now open up your fingers some. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. You're doing good.